Hey, what's up, furniture nerds? Welcome to another episode of Flat Packs Exposed, the review series, brought to you by Prime Spaces.
Okay guys, before I put this thing together, I'm gonna quickly show you what you have as soon as you get everything out of the box. So that's everything right there. We've got the two legs. That right there is the motor. This is a single motor standing desk. These are the 2 feet that are gonna connect to this part of the legs. You obviously have the instruction manual here. Now, the thing with the instruction manual that may rub some people the wrong way is there are no words to go with it. Right now, me personally, I'm a visual person, so I'm gonna be able to put this together using the pictures, no problem. And I think they're pretty clear here. But if you are the type of person that likes to have words with the instructions, you're kind of out of luck here, but I think you'll be fine. Here is the rotator part of the desk that's gonna spin as the desk is going up and down. Here is just a support brace that I'm assuming is gonna go across the desk. These are the adapters here. Here's the mechanism where you're gonna be, don't mind me guys, it's really dusty in this room. This customer of mine just moved in. So this is things are gonna go up and down. Here's the different levels. So we'll get that attached. This is the brace that is going to attach the legs, once that's all assembled, to the tabletops, right? And so this is the 2 tabletops it comes in 2. They're gonna get connected to make 1. As you can see here, these are gonna be the holes for the grommets, right? Speaking of grommets, there they are right there. These are the cable management straps that are gonna attach to the bottom of the desk so that the cords aren't hanging down. There's a few dowel pins that are gonna be used during the assembly. Here is the Allen key that comes with it, but I'm not gonna be using this. I have my own tools, power tools, and then these are all the bolts and screws that are gonna be used during the assembly. Then we have a couple hooks and a couple of braces, right? So basically, that's all the pieces here. There's not too many, don't be intimidated. I don't think you should be. The assembly instructions are pretty good, pretty straightforward. But yeah, there's not a lot of actual pieces, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing together and show you the final product. All right guys, so let's quickly talk about some of the features here. Obviously, everything is controlled automatically, right? And so you can set this desk to have 3 separate settings, right? So if you have a chair that you typically use, you can program it to have that particular height. If there's one that you like where, I don't know, maybe you're standing up and there's 2 different heights that you like, you can set it to this second setting and then this 3rd setting. And of course, you have these 2 buttons, very simple, straightforward, how you go up and down. You don't have to do any calibrating. Actually, I think in the manual it says for you to calibrate, but I will leave that to another point. It has 1 motor here, so sometimes they come with 2 motors, right? But there's a single motor here. And then also they've got these 2 sort of long feet that allow you to keep this thing balanced, right? But also it's got these 2 side hooks in case you want to put like, you want to put like headphones or something like that. We have them on both sides here. So those are some of the cool features there. Also, it's got these grommets, right? For you to store your cords and all these different things. It's very, very long. As you can see, this is just my hand. And so you can see, you can fit a lot on this. You can fit probably like 3 or 4 laptops on this, right? A desk screen. I think this is a pretty cool find. Hey guys, but anyway, that concludes my review.